What's your name, my love?
Rachel Wooding.
And how old are you, Rachel?
I'm 37.
Do you have a day job?
Well, at the minute, I'm a mum. I've got a little girl who's 11 months.
Aww.
Before, I was a singer in musical theatre.
Okay. And what's the biggest role you played?
I did We'll Rock You Here.
Oh, wow.
Which is mental.
What did you play?
Scaramouche.
Have you got an itchy leg?
No, I'm not.
What's going on?
Absolutely nothing happening at all. Awkward. Before I was a mum, I used to be a singer performer in musicals. In 2014, literally did my last show, went on my honeymoon, got pregnant on my honeymoon, and the rest is history. My little girl, Emmy, she's 11 months. She's brilliant. The littlest thing gives you this huge high. She'll just say a word like, I don't know, slangla. And I go, oh, she said slangla. She's amazing. Check out this.
What's this?
This is my child's dummy that is in my back pocket.
For good luck?
No, totally forgot.
Oh.
Just shoved it in my back pocket. There's all sorts in my back pocket. I've come to Britain's Got Talent because I want to sing again. Before in the past, I've been cast in a role and then playing somebody else. But I want to perform as me. This is like asking them not to like you as an actress, as you as a person. And, I want them to like me.
So why are you nervous, Rachel?
Oh, I know people say this, but, like, having a baby, I'm the same person, but it does change it. It's like I'm still me, but I'm not.
You're more tired.
I'm exhausted.
OK, well, good luck.
I picked up your shirts this morning. I don't know why. I don't know why. Mr. Reynolds said to say hello. I started to cry. I started to cry. Every place we ever walked at, everywhere we talked, I miss you. You never leave my mind. So much of you is left behind. I keep thinking that you'll be calling, but everyone said it's all in my head, and I can't accept it yet. I'm not ready to just give in, but I know that I can live in this pain, with this feeling of regret. All this wishful thinking gets me nowhere I can stay. Everywhere took my life with you.
lovely. What a lovely audition.
Wow. Alicia.
I just want to congratulate you. There's something so winning about you. You're such a lovely person.
Thank you.
You really took us to the place that we all want to go to when we listen to music. We all felt something. It was wicked.
You're a naturally gregarious, charming person, and you made me feel very vulnerable, and you moved me, and it was just a wonderful performance. It was gorgeous. Well done.
Rachel, when you sang, there was something which I call the perfect silence, which means that everyone literally is focused on you. This was the most beautiful version of this song I've ever heard.
I just kept on thinking throughout that you could be singing that song, exactly that performance, at the Royal Variety performance. It was absolutely faultless.
I'm blown away.
But we're going to vote. Rachel, I adore you. It's a yes.
Thank you.
Massive yes from me.
Thank you very much.
It's a yes from me. Well done.
Thank you.
You got 4 big back yeses.
I still feel a little bit touched by that.
Catch up on other performances from this series by clicking on the info card in the corner.